This is a review of the Level Lock Plus Connect with Keypad Smart Lock, a high-tech yet discreet smart lock that enhances home security and convenience. I purchased this item because I wanted a secure, keyless entry solution that integrates seamlessly with my smart home. The ability to lock and unlock my door remotely and share access with family and guests made it an easy choice. I like to use this for managing home access effortlessly, whether I'm at home or away. With remote control via the Level Home app, I can let people in, check activity history, and even set time-sensitive key codes. Some of the key features include anywhere, anytime access, lock and unlock remotely, view live activity, and always know your door's status. Multiple unlocking options. Use an iPhone, Apple Watch, keycard, voice commands, Siri, Alexa, Google Home, or a traditional key. Sleek and secure design blends into your door's existing look while offering an AAA security rating for peace of mind. Easy installation, no complicated wiring, just swap out your deadbolt using a screwdriver. Level keypad, convenience, create and share key codes for guests, pet sitters, or cleaners without needing an app or physical keys. So my final thoughts, the Level Lock Plus Connect is a game changer for home security. It's stylish, secure, and incredibly easy to use. Whether you want remote access, smart automation, or simple keyless entry, this lock does it all.